It's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.